Thanks for tuning in to this overview of the Colorfront Streamer. Colorfront Streamer is a software-only product that allows creatives to live stream material directly from popular NLE, compositing, and color grading systems without the need for additional hardware. This sub-second latency, reference quality, video streaming from live video gives you the quality of review you would expect in a color grading suite or screening room, remotely to multiple viewers. This allows you to share color and frame accurate footage in SDR or HDR from third-party applications such as Adobe Premiere, Avid Media Composer, Blackmagic Resolve, or Autodesk Flame. Streamer works in real time with content up to full 4K and can stream in 4K, 2K, or HD in Dolby Vision, Rec709 SDR or HDR, and uses SRT to deliver pristine quality, low latency live video, plus multi-channel audio over the public internet to multiple remote clients. 256-bit AES encryption is used to ensure content remains secure and protected. Streamer is easy to install on the same workstations that creative artists use to perform editorial, compositing, and color grading tasks. Let's see how it works. After downloading and installing the application, I can capture the video and up to 16 channels of audio from SDI video capture cards. With AJA, it's as simple as using AJA Peak and no additional cables are required. If using a compatible Blackmagic video device, it's as simple as looping the outgoing signal to a free input. We can also capture CDI and NDI, in which case the source must be chosen. Then, if necessary, tag the appropriate color space and start streaming. In this case, I chose HDR10. This configured the gamma and color space metadata to be transmitted to all connected Colorfront streaming players. Streamer works with the Colorfront Cloud broker portal, where one can invite all appropriate stakeholders for a review session. The broker allows multiple simultaneous viewers to watch the same session in real time. It's as simple as sending an invitation email for a client to securely watch on their iPhones, iPads, Apple TVs, or Mac and Windows computers. If required, the end user can directly connect to an HDMI display from the computer or use an AJA or Blackmagic Professional Video I/O device HDMI output. Please sign up today by filling out a quick form to try out Streamer at colorfront.cloud.